day everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Nana Culture. It's nice having you here today, and if you are new here, thank you so much for joining. If you're my fan, thank you for always coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to dance Igbo cultural dance step, Enugu style. Before we proceed, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will get notified. So let's proceed to the video. If you want to dance the Igbo cultural dance Enugu style or photo dance, the first thing, like I said in my previous video, is that you raise your feet. That's the first. You shouldn't you should start by raising your feet, which is the step one, and then the step two, you squat. Okay, then when you squat, you can now go with your back moving in and out, just like this. With your back moving in and out, you can now move your ends same way, in and out, or sideways, or up and down, depending on how you would want to put it. There's no rules guiding the hands. The way you put your hand is up to you, but then there's a rule guiding your feet, and then your position, and also your movement. Okay, so first of all, like I said before, you are going to raise your feet, then you squat, then with your back going in and out, you go. Then I'm going to go with the beats 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's go. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let me repeat the moving. 1 2 3 4. You see the way my back is going in and out, like I said. Then my feet is up, and then I'm squatting, so just like that. 1 2 3 4. I'm going slowly because I want you guys to pick. When you do like this, 1 2 3 4, your leg should be done. Like as I'm doing, my leg is going like this. I hope you are observing that. See it. I mean, if you join the Igbo cultural dance group, so if you were part of them, this thing I'm doing shouldn't be difficult for you, because there are some people that during those days they don't even like to participate in anything, and now they've grown and they're now seeing the importance of these things. They are seeing the importance of of their culture and everything, and now they want to partake in this cultural dancing and every other thing that has to do with culture, because they've developed interest in it, but then they can't do it. You didn't start from when you were little. You want to start now, and if you had started from when you were little, starting now, like it will just be like a continuous process. It will not be difficult for you. Okay, but then it's all good. That's why I am here. I am here to put you guys through all these processes. So that's why we're starting from the basics. Okay, so after being done with this, I'm also going to teach you guys another step. So there's this one that, okay, sorry, let me show you guys how I move my hand to this step. See me, 1 2 3 4. Let's go. 1 2 3 4. Again, 1 2 3 4. Again, 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So that's it. I just did that. then I use it to turn around so that you guys can see my back, my front, side, and everything. So when you do this, when you go like this, you can now do this other one that I said before. Your legs, your feet has to be up, then you are squatting. See me? That's what I'm doing, just like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You see this one now? This is exactly what I said in the beginning. Your feet up, then you are squatting, then your hand is going. Like anything, you can move your hand to any direction that you want. Okay, I told you there's no rules guiding the hands. Like, see, you can choose to do like this. There's no rule guiding the hands. So the first step I taught you guys, I did like this. It was like this. I don't know if you remember. Like this. Then your back going inside and out, in and out. Then just like this. Then your leg. They're moving it like this. Do you get it? Then the second one is the one that goes like you're doing jangilova, like in, out, just like this. Then you are squatting. Then your hand. By the time you get this squatting, bending, the movement of your hand can now give it a different style entirely. Now what do I mean? You are squatting and your feet are up, then you are moving your hand like this, then you are doing your hand like this, then you are doing like this. You see that you are using the same movement to give different style. They say it. So I've just given you guys 2 ways you can do the Enugu Igbo cultural dance step. So we're going to stop here. In our next video we'll continue. Please tell me in the comment section if you've gotten these steps or not. If I still need to repeat myself, please let me know. Okay, so I'm going to be doing more tutorials often this time around. Please stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time here. I do not take it for granted, and I want you to keep watching, keep joining us, keep joining this channel. And if you've not subscribed, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel, please, and also turn on the notification bell. Okay, and share the video to your friends, and please don't forget to drop a comment for me in the comment section, because through your comments I will know what is in your mind. Okay, so drop a comment for me in the comment section, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys, thanks for watching to the end. Until next time, goodbye.